Well, Glenn is back at it again. Something decided it's going to find the... I have to tell them what's going on. This is the second time. How many times have you fixed this? He's been working on this since like early spring, and something still finds a way to get. They found that little tiny hole right there. Right there. Let me zoom in and show you. That little tiny hole there. And then a little tiny hole over there. How they're doing this, I don't know. It's crazy. So this is our job today. And they also got back there too. So. Alright, so Glenn got this all cleaned up. Well, I cleaned it up and he done the inside wiring. And it should work now. So Mr. Possum, Mr. Raccoon, stay out of our trash, please.
You're painting your hunger. They're driving you home. And freedom, oh freedom. That's just some people talking.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored.
Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and today is May 5th, 2020. And if you're not familiar with what May is Mental Health Awareness Month. And I actually brought my notebook because I wanted to talk to you guys about mental health awareness. Now, with mental health awareness, I do have bipolar depression and borderline personality disorder and OCD, and I have a lot of different little things going on with me mentally. And Mental Health Awareness Month, I usually try to always do a video at least once a year in mental health awareness, which is May. And I wanted to touch base with you guys. If you've watched my videos before about my mental health awareness video update, I'm going to actually add clips in here to the suicide hotlines or anything if you actually are having problems or you don't feel like you have anybody to talk to, and you're going through, situations that you just need somebody to talk to. And always feel free, you can always DM me on Instagram. Right here's my Instagram handle, and I'll talk to you. So you're not alone, and just want to say that. So with that being said, today I decided that I was going to donate $50. I know it's not a lot, but it is something that, I wanted to do, and I felt like, I can comfortably afford $50. So I wish I could give a lot more, but $50 is what I can handle today. And I donated to the American Foundation of Suicide Prevention, and I also donated to Depression and Bipolar Support Alliance, and I gave them $50. Donated a total of $100 this month for mental health awareness. And I decided to donate to the two causes, the two charities that I felt that was relatable, that fit my issues I have going on. So I encourage anybody, if you can, even if it's $1, just to donate. It really can help these charities out, to help people that is going through difficult times, that doesn't have a support system and that needs help. So I do have anxiety, and you can see when I start talking about mental health awareness, I get a little anxious. So not everybody is able to handle their mental health issues as well as others, and some of them have to go to therapy. I go to therapy, and right now with COVID, I am not going to therapy, and I do have days that it shows. So I highly recommend, if therapy is for you, to continue going, and only you can decide if therapy is for you and if it works.
Is to feed my thoughts and soul with food.
Okay guys, so look at this background. Is that not cute? Look at that. We're in a play place. Play with me. Do it again.
I look like I'm sitting on it.
Why are you making fun of me? We're on the beach. No, this ain't the beach. What is this? Is that beach? What is that? Lake? We're gonna be in the back of this car is where we're gonna be.
What car? There ain't no car in front of us. Genius.
Wait. I want you to sit on the rock. Go sit on the rock. Okay, so this is my new bedroom. Glenn? Look at you.
Driving a car in your bed.
Okay guys, so I got these nails, as you know, at Dollar General. I wanted to put them on because I love the little diamonds. And I was so disappointed when I started going through my nails. They're all just plain. There's one that's got diamonds on it. And yeah, pretty much, if you're thinking you're getting all these little pretty diamonds, you're not. You're just getting plain old nails. Dollar General, seriously.